Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Facebook posts public. When creating a new post, look for the audience selector, usually a drop-down menu, located near your name. This menu lets you choose who sees your content. To share with everyone, simply select Public from the available options. This ensures your message reaches the widest possible audience, including people not on your friends list. You can also adjust the privacy of posts you've already shared. Navigate to your profile and scroll to find the post you wish to change. On the top right corner of that post, you'll see 3 small dots. Click these dots and a menu will appear. From there, select Edit Audience to change who can see that specific piece of content, allowing you to switch it to Public if desired. To save time, you can set a default audience for all your future posts. Go to your Facebook settings and privacy, then click on Settings. In the left-hand menu, find Privacy, and then select your activity. Here, you'll see an option to limit the audience for past posts, and also to choose your default audience for new posts. Select Public if you want all new content to be widely visible. Understanding the different audience options is key to managing your privacy. Public means your post is visible to everyone, including people not on Facebook. Friends limits visibility to your direct connections. Friends Accept allows you to exclude specific individuals. Specific Friends lets you choose only certain people. Finally, Only Me makes the post completely private, visible only to you. Choose wisely for each share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.